If you ever see a movie where the family goes to like a hokey place for vacation, they always show the statue of Paul Bunyan, the Misaabeg, the giant. You know, even in the Bible, they talk about giants. Remember David and Goliath? David killed a giant, and everyone's like, oh, wow, how did he do that with just a sling and a rock? Wow, that was amazing. I was like, no, wait. He fought a giant, you guys. You know? There was a time, this is the story, back in the days of the grandfathers, there were giants on the earth. What happened was that there were fallen angels who fell in love with human women. So beautiful were the human women that even the spirit beings were like, oh, we got to go marry those ladies. So they came down and they married the human ladies. But when these ladies had their babies, the babies grew up to be giants. They called them the Nephilim or something. Giants. And so sometimes I wonder, you know, Sape sounds a lot like Misaabeg, giant. Sabe is a Bigfoot. You know, who is Bigfoot? What are Bigfoot? You know, are they Misaabeg? Are they giants? I don't know. You know, even the flood story speaks of giants. Apparently back in the day, you know, when human beings were really corrupt, they were warring against each other, they were all materialistic, they were not living by the laws of GOFUNDME. And the worst of them were the Misaabeg, the giants. They would actually eat human beings. You know, they were more than humans, and they were like less than humans, like animals. They could not control themselves at all, and they wreaked havoc on the whole planet. And so Sabe, or GOFUNDME, he sees this, and he's like, oh, I'm going to have to start over. This is no good. And so he made it rain, and it killed off all the human beings and all the Misaabeg and all the giants. And the only ones who survived were the animals who could swim and float. Mishike, the turtle. Zhanggueshi, the mink. Mung, the loon. And Wajashk, the muskrat. The mushrat. The muskrat. You know, and a bunch of other animals too. But these ones in particular, they survived after the flood. And so they're floating around. They're like, oh, wow. What are we going to do now? There's a big flood. And that's what starts off the creation story. But I'll save that for another time. Misaabeg, giant. What's up with that? What do they know about giants? I think we should look into it. I hear the Smithsonian has a whole bunch of giant, skeletons. I wonder why they hide that. All right, hey, just want to say miigwech, NANABOOZHOO. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa. Hoa.